In this video, I'll guide you through how to add public holidays in Google Calendar. If you've ever missed a public holiday or had to manually enter them one by one, this quick tutorial will show you a much easier way. By the end, your calendar will automatically display official holidays, so you can plan your work, trips, or personal events with those dates clearly in view. First, let's open Google Calendar. On your computer, go to your web browser and type in calendar.google.com, then press enter. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where you want the holidays to appear. If you use multiple accounts, double check the profile picture or email in the top right corner so you're working in the correct calendar. Once the page loads, you should see your familiar monthly or weekly view with your existing events. Now, take a look at the left side of the screen. This side panel is where Google organizes your calendars. You'll see your main calendar and possibly some others like birthdays or reminders. Below your main calendar section, look for an area labeled Other Calendars. This is where you can add shared calendars, including public holiday calendars provided by Google. If you don't immediately see the Other Calendars heading, try hovering your mouse over the left sidebar or clicking the small arrow to expand it. Sometimes the panel can be collapsed, especially on smaller screens. Once it's visible, you may already see some options listed under Other Calendars, such as weather, tasks, or previously added shared calendars. Next, we'll enable the public holiday calendar. In Other Calendars, look for the entry called Holidays in Philippines. If your Google account is set with the Philippines as your region, this option often appears automatically in the list, but it may be unchecked. To turn it on, simply click the small colored box or checkbox next to Holidays in Philippines. When it's enabled, the box will be filled with a color and you'll immediately start seeing holiday entries appear across your calendar view. Take a moment to scroll through a few months. You should now see public holidays added as all-day events, usually with labels like New Year's Day or Independence Day, depending on your local holiday set. These entries are read only, which means you can't accidentally change them, and they'll update automatically if Google adjusts anything in the official list over time. If you don't see Holidays in Philippines listed under Other Calendars, it may be hidden or not added yet. In that case, look near Other Calendars for a small plus icon, often labeled Browse Calendars of Interest or something similar. There you can select the holiday calendar for your country. Once you add it, it will appear in the Other Calendars section and you can enable it the same way. To keep your calendar tidy, remember you can always toggle this calendar off later by clicking that same colored box again. The holidays will disappear from the view, but the option remains under Other Calendars whenever you need it. That's all there is to it. You've now added public holidays in Google Calendar using the built-in Holidays in Philippines calendar, so you can stay organized and avoid scheduling important events on days when everything else might be closed.